Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Persistent Trading. Is Bank Nifty ready for the breakout? Well, for me, it looks like it can give the breakout provided market reacts positively to the ICICI Bank results. In case if it reacts negatively, we need to see the price action and accordingly take the trade. Let's go into deeper and see how we can analyze at the lower time frame. First, we look at the higher time frame, that is weekly. We can clearly see that there is a break of structure on the higher side and then there is a pullback. So now the market, in case if it needs to continue to the higher side following the previous structure, market has to go higher from this level, right? So as of now, the market is in pullback mode on the weekly time frame. It can anytime it can reverse and give the breakout of the previous swing high. Now let's go to daily time frame. Daily time frame, we have identified a supply zone here on 9th of January 2024 when it is closed below the previous swing low, right? It is forming an internal change of character. That is why we have identified a resistance level here. Now if you see day before yesterday and yesterday, these three candles pattern, okay, after the break of structure from this swing low, the market tried to go down, but somehow there is some kind of demand has come, and also you see the pin bar candle that has formed on Saturday, right? If market continues to break 46,250 level, there is a good chance that market can first come to 47,000, 47,200 level, and further in the coming days, if it continues further higher, it can come up to this daily supply zone, because there is a good space for the market to move higher. So there is one good chance in case if you are planning for the long trade here. If the market reacts negative to the ICICI Bank and if it opens a gap down, then first thing is probably market can come down to 45,400 and 45,500 level. Okay, so this is the level which I see the previous swing low. In case if it can come down up to this level, but by looking at this demand, even if it comes down, there is a chance that market can react positively here and then go higher. So at this point of time in the daily time frame, we cannot completely find out the trend properly whether it breaks up or breaks down. So let's go down to the lower time frame, that is 1 hour. So here you can see that after this break of structure downside, there is a sideways zone it has formed in the past 3 days, 18, 19 and 20th. So whichever level it breaks, either higher or downside, we can see that some kind of momentum can come tomorrow. So right now within this particular zone, the market is somewhat closer towards to the higher level, right? So there is some easy way market can pick up the momentum on the higher side in case if it breaks, because everyone will be waiting for this breakout trade. And there are some people who put the stop losses in the past 3 days, their stop losses will hit. So when that breakout happens, their stop losses will hit. So that becomes a buy order for them. And also a breakout traders can hit the buy order. So there is a possibility that good momentum on the upside can come up to 47,000, 47,200 level. Why I choose 47,000 is because it is exactly the same level of opening and closing of these two candles, right? So this is the zone that we can see, 47,200. There's a good resistance here, but good space from this bottom level as well. And in case if market opens a gap down, that means if it reacts negative to the ICICI Bank results, then we need to wait for this level to come 45,500, or you can do a quick scalping based upon the lower time frame market structure, that is 5 minutes and 15 minutes. If you can target 45,500 level, be careful in case if it falls down. Do not aggressively go for the long trade unless you see the structure confirms that you can go on the higher side. Now let's go to 15-minute time frame. So even the 15-minute time frame also, you see the same swing structure, same sideways mode within this zone itself. So in 15-minute time frame, we can see that there was a resistance that it has formed on 20th January for almost from 11:30 to 12:30, 1 hour level. and then there is a significant breakout that has happened around 12:45. So now this resistance has become a support at 3 o'clock candle, right? Exactly, it came to this level. So in case if market has to go down, for me, if I have to take a short trade, it needs to close below 45,900 level. In case if it has to go on the higher, then it needs to close above 46,180, 200 level, 300 level, then it can go higher, right? Then it can go higher, and for me my target is around 47,000 and 47,200. There can be some reaction that can happen around 46,000, 46,500 level, but because there are multiple stop losses created over the past 3 days, in case if their stop losses will get hit, we can see a fast momentum can come. So even if you go down to the lower time frame, again it will be the same swings. So not to discuss much on the 5-minute time frame. So it is better you observe the price action on the 15-minute time frame and accordingly take the trades. Thank you for watching. We'll connect tomorrow.